guys, in today's video I'm going to be trying out the new iluvsarahii times Dose of Colors collab. I got the eyeshadow palette and also one of the highlighters. So this is the box packaging. It's really nice. It's a light nude pink color and it has the leaves in the back. And then the package design, which is the overall leaves, and then this little iluvsarahii times Dose of Colors, which is my favorite. I love her signature. And then the highlighter I got is Soulmate, which is the gold one. So I'm going to start off with the eyes, and I'm going to prime my eyelids using the Urban Decay eyeshadow primer potion in Eden. I'm just going to start to tap that onto my eyelid. Now I'm going to go into Wanderlust, and I'm taking my Morphe E17 and I'm just packing this shade onto my crease. Going in with my Morphe E27 brush, I'm going to take Loungy and I'm going to start blending out that orange shade. So I'm going back in and applying more of that Wanderlust shade. Next, I'm going to take the Maybelline Gel Liner in black and I'm going to pat it all over my lid. This is going to act as a base for the black shade. So I'm going to take Finders Keepers. With my Morphe M210 brush, I'm going to start packing this onto the lid. And I did dampen my brush before picking up this shade. So what I'm seeing is that once you start blending the shade, all the reflex, the spiny, all the reflex or glitter is starting to just kind of like come off, which is expected. But it is a really nice black eyeshadow. Wow. Okay. So I have the crease all blended out. Now I'm going to go back in with that same black and just add it to the lid. So I'm going to finish this eye off of camera, add lashes and also my foundation, and then I'll come back for bronzer, blush, and highlight. So I'm going to go ahead and contour my face with the MAC Blunt Blush. For blush, I'm going to use MAC's Peaches. Now for highlight, I'm going to take the iluvsarahii times Dose of Colors collab highlighter in Soulmate. So I'm going to go ahead and do my lower lash line and lips off of camera, and I'll come back to tell you guys my thoughts. So I applied Palma into my inner corner, and then I also did a nude glossy lip. So my overall thoughts about this collection is I actually really like the eyeshadow palette. I think it's a really good quality. It's a really good shade. I don't want to say shade range, but there's a lot of colors to use. You can use it on a natural day, you can use it on a nighttime look, school, I don't know, you can use it for so many different events or reasons and stuff like that. I think the blendability and the pigment is really good. I had no problem blending it out. The highlighter I really love. So on my skin tone, I feel like it doesn't look as gold. It looks a little bit silvery. It like blends into my skin tone, which I like, but overall I really like the collection. So yeah, so that was the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe while you're down there. Also, click the little bell button to be notified whenever I post. My social media will be down below in the description. Also, don't forget, if you guys want to try out Dodo lashes, use my code at checkout. I applied the D307 lashes, which are my favorite. I use them for every single look. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.